guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Peace be unto each and every one of you. Happy New Year. I know I'm a bit late for the YouTube business, so I know I haven't been posting much. Please pray for me to be posting more often. I kind of have a lot of things, a lot of excuses I could give you guys, but we're not here for that. Today I am going to be doing the pixel makeup look. I've seen a lot of looks on Instagram having the pixel makeup, you know, on, and a lot of people have been posting it. It's been on my explore page and on my feed, so I decided to join on the train. I hope this doesn't become a big old mess, because I know I haven't been that artistic on this channel or on my Instagram or anywhere for that matter, so I know this is going to be a little bit hard for me, but we're gonna go and try and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this. Hopefully I get to do something a little bit pixelated. Let's dive into the video. Okay guys, I've already done my face. As you can see, I've done my brows and I've done my foundation, because I know a lot of people know how to do skin nowadays, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, and the video will be forever long if I do, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. I am just gonna go ahead and start with the pixelated eye, and then we're gonna see how that will go. So I am going to be using this eyeshadow palette for the whole video. Yeah, and these are the shades. This eyeshadow palette has some very French French shades. I'm just gonna be describing the shades to you guys, because I cannot. My French is as good as my Italian, which is 0. So we're not going to even go there. We're not going to botch any words here. I'm not even going to try. So let's just start with this. And also, am I using? Yeah, I think this palette should be enough for my look. I don't want to go too excited with everything. No, I'm just gonna make it as simple as I can. Hopefully we get something. I'm just looking at my mirror. Why? I don't know why I keep. I'm gonna set the I'm gonna set on my brow bone, and I'm using this shade in that palette. I'm using the base shade. It's going to be like a transition color or shade, as you like to, or anyhow you like to call it. So this eye is going to be the pixelated eye, if you guys can see. Then for this look, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow brush. As you can see, it has a little bit of a flat top, and it's kind of like the angled brush, but the top is flat, not slanted. So that's what I'm using. I hate this. I really do hate this. That's what happens when you have neighbors. My god, I hate this. Alright guys, I am going to be using the purple shade in this palette. This is the only purple shade in this palette, and I like it. It's a very matte purple shade, that's all I can say. So I'm just going to use that as my crease shade. Why? I'm going to be using that on my crease, this purple shade. So let's start. Because it's pixelated, I'm going to try to make little squares with that. Hopefully it works. If not, we're going back to the eyeliner. Alright guys, as you can see how I did this eye, I just, you know, I'll just stamp it and do it down. Same thing without blending. So now I need to use my concealer. I'm going to go ahead with the pink shade after I've cut the crease and do the exact same thing I did with the purple shade. This is tedious work, but we're going to do it anyways. Alright guys, now I'm going to cut the lids to make it look like a pixel, and that will be the final thing in this eye, which I'm going to put a shimmer. I'm going to cut the lid and then put a shimmer shade on it, and then that's it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on the shimmery. I'm going to go ahead and put on the rose gold shimmery shade on the center of the lid. Now that this eye is alright guys, now that this eye is completed, I am going to go ahead and do this eye, which is going to be a normal makeup eye look with the same color combo so that it matches this eye. Done with this eye guys, as you can see it has all the shades that this pixelated eye has, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my face, which entails my concealer, contour and everything else. So I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna put it in times 4 speed. Now I'm going to be putting on here. I'm done with my face. I'm going to be putting highlighter everywhere near the eyes and also the cheekbones so that it just pops the look. Right now it's looking a little bit dull, so we're going to give it some light. Now that we're done with our face and my lashes just off camera. As you guys can see, also my highlight, and this just ties the look together. I use this lash hack to do my lashes, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the lips. We're done with this makeup look, and it's also going to be pixelated, so I'm going to be using a brown liner to do this, and a brown eye pencil to do this, and also I'm going to be using some dark red lipstick. I haven't worn colored lipstick in a hot minute, so I'm going to be using it for this look. So we're still going to be using the same brush as we did for the eyeshadow, and we're going to use that for the lips. It's going to be very quick and easy, but time consuming, so it's not quick at all. This look looks like a mess right now, but I am going to go over it with a liner, and it's going to be looking very, very pixelated. So let's begin. Now that I have lined the lips, that is it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, if you learned something new, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below, and also click the notification bell to stay notified for whenever I post a new video. And also don't forget to get me to 500 subs this year. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.